How to use AN, the Artist Information Company, from home. AN, the Artist Information Company, is a visual artist membership organisation that provides access to guides, research and jobs, as well as artist blogs, reviews and collections. Some of the features of AN can only be accessed by creating and logging in with a personal account. This has to be done from home, as you are logged in automatically when in college. This video will explain how to sign up for a personal account and the extra features that become available. The main features of AN are explained in the video How to use AN, the Artist Information Company, in college. AN can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the A tab. Click on the Join link at the top of the screen and choose the student option. Don't worry about the £16 fee. There is a discount code which makes it free. Click on the Join as a Student button. In the discount code box, enter BLAC1149 and use your student email address. Fill in the rest of your details and click on Confirm at the end. Check your student email account for email confirmation that your account has been created and a link to set a password. Once you have created your password, you can log in with your personal account details. When you log in with a personal account, an extra menu will appear at the top. From this, you can start your own blog, collection or conversation. Any blogs, collections, etc. you have started can be accessed from this menu too. Other artists' collections or blogs can be bookmarked, that is, added to your collection by clicking on the star. You can also add the artist to your network. If you click on the house icon, you can access your personal homepage. If you want to message artists you have added to your network, click on the envelope icon. Help guides on using the different elements of AN can be accessed by going to User Support on the About menu.